Hey guys, Omar here with ABC Austin Service Express, and we're installing a new air conditioning and heating system here at a customer's house. And this is the inside. Ooh, light's kind of bad. We got lining working here. That's that. We're gonna put a new plenum where all the ducts go hooked up, which are these right here. And we got the guys outside working as well, installing the condenser. We're gonna run new copper lines from here to the outside, new drain lines, and another happy customer. So call us for all your air conditioning, heating, and refrigeration needs. 512-448-0532. You can also find us on the web at www.abcaustinacandheating.com. Okay, see you guys in the next video. Thanks. Bye-bye.